Greetings everyone, this is Claire from Hong Kong St. Mark's School. First of all, I'm really grateful to have this chance to participate in this STEM seminar. Well, let's get started. In my presentation, I'll conclude my learning progress using 4Dframe, ranging from grade 4 to grade 7. I'll show photos and videos of my products so you can get to know more about them. Here's my progress. In grade 4, I made a robotic arm. For grade 5 and 6, I made 2 cars with different components, including the microbit and a Juno, respectively. For grade 7, which is this year, I created a theme park collection. I actually discussed this idea with my foreign friends from Sweden. Well, now, let's take a quick look at my grade 4 creation, the robotic arm. These are some special features in this product. How does it work? Let's have a look at this video. I hope you find it interesting. Now, what about we move on to something more advanced? I gained experience from building the robotic arm, so my cars here are really great. Don't you think so? As you can see in the photo, I've used the microbit and the Keytronic motor driver in this version. Here are some characteristics of it. Now, shall we watch this video of the demonstration of the car? I actually used another microbit to control it, but because of the lack of space here, I didn't show it. Sorry about that. Here is the Juno version car I made in grade 6. It was really fortunate that I won the local 4Dframe competition in grade 5, so I got a chance to visit Korea and compete with students worldwide in grade 6. There are some improvements I made in the car. This is the video showing how my Juno car works. I control it using the ready-built smartphone app. So these 2 cars are made for competitions. In fact, I made some amendments afterwards by adding the ultrasonic sensor. You'll understand more after watching the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you my microbit avoidance car. So when the ultrasonic sensor senses an obstacle in front of it, it's going to turn left or right randomly so it won't bump into anything. If you want to see more similar ideas from me, feel free to visit my YouTube channel. Just scan the QR code on the left. Lastly, I'm gonna show you my most remarkable creation this term, the theme park. My theme park contains the thrill ride and the gyro swing. I must say here that my favorite part of the thrill ride is the colorful seats made for the so-called passengers. Don't you think it's so appealing? So here are some features for the gyro swing. Before we go, I would like to show you how my theme park collection works together. Thanks for watching. Which of the above is your favorite creation? Can you think of any more facilities that can be added to my theme park collection? If so, please do give me some comments and feedback. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!